read something earlier, but at the moment the only certainty feels as though it's uncertainty. And I can imagine that many people feel like that at the moment. Certainly here at Seaford, we are trying to process and digest all the information that we've received over the last 24 hours and will continue to receive as we move forwards. And the key priority for us at this time is really focusing on the welfare and the guidance that we need to show for our young people in the school. With that in mind, I think that there are always two ways to look at a situation. We can dwell on the fact that it feels maybe that we're losing something, that things are harder, they're more difficult, but I think we can also be positive and we can look to the opportunities that any situation gives us. And so at Seaford, amongst the teaching body, we are energised at the moment in looking at the potential opportunities that we've got to really show innovation in our teaching and learning over the coming weeks. Already we've set out how we can use existing resources that we have, such as our Firefly platform, and getting a lot more out of those, and I'm sure that everybody's going to benefit from that over the coming days and weeks. But we're also looking at ways in which we can bring Seaford together more, to be able to bring the barrier between home and school closer together so that we can all remain part of one very strong caring community. And so I can sort of tell you now that we're looking at those opportunities that allow our teachers to work in a more dynamic way within the classroom, to be able to talk and lead classroom discussion exactly as we would do in a normal classroom setting, but also I'm sure from that perhaps to see more leadership from the student body with ways in which they might actually be able to develop learning, not just for themselves but actually amongst their peer group.